I'm right now at Lot 1, Choa Chu Kang, the basement. There's some food store. Let's check out this restaurant in shower in front of us. The chef is putting on the soup now. Story EAT. With those street food Singapore, the mee po, yu mian laksa, shrimp dumpling, and satay bee hoon set. Next with the Ya Kun Kaya toast. And right in front is the KFC, and then there's a Singtel mobile shop here. Cocoa cane on the left, which is coconut water and sugar cane juice. A pharmacy called Guardian on the right side. Kodak Express, where you can take your passport photos and buy some photo frames and battery. Four Leaves Bakery. Red Ginger Malay food, Nasi Padang Q. Jiu Xian Night Fresh. Yu Noodle. And the famous Mei Zhen Xiang Bi Chen Hiang BBQ pork. King of Breeze. Basil Pizzas. Tender Fresh Chicken. LAC Nutrition for Life, the whale tea. The famous Old Chunky Curry Puff Fish Ball. The Crave Lasino Mug. Hot Hua Tonic, Spectacle Hut, and a Pet Lover Center. Swee 1989 Bakery Shop. Wok Pay. Next we have the NTUC Fair Price Supermarket on the left side, as well as a Unity Pharmacy. There's also some dumplings here and Mexican food court stuff. Prima Deli, Rainbow Cakes, Food Paradise. Then the famous Mr. Bean, the pancakes, as well as the soya bean milk. Next we have Milan Shokudo, which is a restaurant selling pasta, Canada teriyaki chicken. This is something new, Hainanese curry rice. I think it's quite affordable at $4.80 pork chop set. Tokyo Shokudo, Bengawan Solo, Tartarus Cake Shop. Looking at the directory, level 5 is the highest. I'm going over there now. I see some kind of aerobics over there. At level 5 now, there's a arcade called Zone X. And a movie theater called Shaw Theater. So this is a roof garden. There's a playground here. There's even a library. This is the view of Choa Chu Kang from the rooftop at level 5 or Lot 1 more. You can even see the metro station, the MRT just arrived from here. Moving down to level 4, there's a toast, fun toast in front. And from level 4 you can access a library. Then the maybe tutorial center, Venus cosmetic store, Smoothie Skin, Korean hair remover, K-cut stand, barber shop, IG Sen Ramen, Japanese food. Oh, that shocked me. And before that, there's a view from level 4, Lot 1 more, right here at the Choa Chu Kang. So this is a food court area. You guys see it's really like big. Uncle Titi's popcorn snacks and events. Cotton candy and caramel salted popcorn. Then check out this char siu wonton mee. I recommend the Apo Uji Mian, the Hokkien mee. Look at them. Moving down to level 3, see what we have here. Firstly, there's a travel agency called WTS and a cute minion machine. Pasta Mania in the Yunnan Hair Care. EOB Bank. Barber Shop. A Challenger. 4-star Epitex and Tundo Pillows sell the mattress and bed related items. In front is Daddy France. A restaurant called Sushiro. Of course, they sell the sushi and Japanese food here. Japan Home. Look at all those cute little luggages here. Then we have the Popular bookstore. Popular is a local Singaporean brand. And right in front is Telford Education Center. Singapore Pools, where the Singaporeans and even some non-foreigners come here to buy a lottery ticket. It's just to have their hopes of getting the jackpot is worth up to 10 million. Then I check out what they have. And level 2, I see some shoes, Bata, Vivian Insia, Miniso, Kiehl's Skin, Korean Express Facial. 鱼儿 Premium Yakin Niku Shokudo Japanese restaurant. Good Health TCN Clinic. Uniqlo, and then there's a Watson in front. Watson Pharmacy. Smiggle and Kitty Palace. Oh, almost missed this. It's called a Miss Tea with a good name. Kitty Palace, Smiggle, and then the mini shop. They even sell flowers here. About flowers. Oh, this really like good design, beautiful. They even sell the socks of the cartoons, Hello Kitty, Snoopy. Moving down to level 1, there's some kind of fair over there. They're selling old lion shirts, mattress, beds, and then some other bags in front. This is level 1, the body shop, Switch Brass, Skechers, Cotton On Device, Coffee Bean and Tea. The face shop. I would say Lot 1 is one of the top 5 malls in the website because most of the things that you need are all here. Restaurant, shopping, all in one, and most importantly, the mall is very conveniently located beside the Choa Chu Kang MRT subway. This seems to be famous, the Taiwan tea, 吃全3000. 吃 means eat, 全 means the feast, and 3000 means 3000, so you eat the feast 3000 times. So this was a mini fair I mentioned about $19 for long-sleeve shirt. Do you guys think it's expensive? You can drop me a comment. By the way, if you enjoyed the video so far and consider subscribe to my video, give a like and share the video so that more people can watch the video together. In Singapore, Pop Mart is very popular. Lots of people queue up every single weekend. With the auto massage shop, they sell lots of stuff here from eye massages, foot massages, neck massages, and then the next shop is some kind of Gold Legacy SK jewelry shop, and over here the Taka jewelry. Actually, the Auto and OSIM are direct competitors, but then the prices of OSIM is much higher than the Auto. Here's in the Auto shop. The massage chair 1580 and 799 is not bad, and frequently they have promotion 50% off. And some kind of street food here. The red bean paste cake, white cake. I'm back to the food junction for some dinner. This is a very interesting, iconic traffic lights. Oh, by the way, I mentioned in my previous video, putting personal items on table is to reserve the table, or in Singapore we call it chop seat, or chop seat is the same. Alright, I got this plate of char kway teow for $5.50, a small portion. For the chili, I'm gonna enjoy it. It looks like not bad. It's with the cockles. And I think I'll end my video here, and thanks everyone for watching. Take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.